Oh my gosh, y'all, stop playing. This install freaking eats. After I threw on my outfit, you know, makeup was already done, so that's definitely a whole vibe. But with this hair, look at this. It looks so damn good. You cannot tell me that this wig is not freaking laid. Like, girl, yes. So this is your sign. Spray down those glueless wigs, honey, because it's going to give you an even better melt and lay, and it's gonna look so good. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit popping like, woo, big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me? Y'all, this wig has me feeling extra cute today, okay? I'm feeling so pretty. I am ready to go get something to eat with my boo. So today's wig is from WavyMy hair, and it's this gorgeous wear and go straight wig, y'all. You can wear this completely glueless if you would like. I did spray mine down today because I wanted that extra laid look. This is also 24 inches long, so I feel like it's not too long, but not too short. It's like right there in the middle, and if you decide to curl this hair, it's gonna come up just a little bit higher, so it's gonna look even better, y'all, okay? If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And if you'd like to get into how I melted this super cute wig from WavyMy hair, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. Today's wig is from WavyMy hair, as y'all already know. And my wig did arrive with some freebies, y'all. So here is the wig. It is a glueless wear and go wig. It has a 9 by 6 inch lace closure on it. It has an HD lace closure, y'all. I did go ahead and add my foundation underneath the lace so that could be ready to go. Here is the inside of the cap. It does have 2 removable wig combs on the side. It has 1 removable wig comb in the back of the wig. It also has this adjustable elastic band strap, and the strap does have this silicone gripping around it, so it's very fitted to the head. Also, there is a dip right here by the ears so that your ears can fit comfortably behind this wig, y'all. So the lace on this wig does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and it has bleach knots, y'all. Let's go ahead and install this beauty. I'm first going to install it with this elastic band. So I'm just gonna pull my head over, make sure it's tucked behind. Then I'm gonna pull the wig cap down and tuck in that comb in the back, y'all, okay? Now the lace in the front, I'm just gonna pull it forward, and this is what we're working with so far. So as you can see, you can definitely wear this wig without any tape or glue, y'all. It definitely sits nice and snug to the hairline. The lace goes from here all the way to here on me. So it's literally only this much space on both sides where there's no lace. So it's pretty much like a frontal wig, y'all, but it's a closure wig. You could always pull out your edges and just lay the baby hairs down if you don't want your edges to show, but I definitely do not mind that. Sorry if y'all could hear a dog barking in the background. That's my neighbor's dog, y'all. I don't know what is up with that dog. But anyways, I have showed y'all so many times how I rock these wigs completely glueless without any tape, spray, glue, anything. But I am gonna do a little bit of spray today because I want this lace to be extra laid. So if you don't wanna do that step, definitely rock it completely without any spray like this. We're still not gonna be using glue, but I want to use just a little bit of spray to melt this wig down so y'all can see the full effect of this beautiful wig. I have not wore straight hair in a little while, and I'm trying to see what kind of hair I want to wear for my vacation. I'm going somewhere, so make sure y'all follow my vlog channel if y'all want to see where I end up going. Yeah, my vlog channel is Glam Keisha. I will link that in the description box down below for you guys if you're not already subscribed to my vlog channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this wig back behind my hairline. I am gonna be using a spray from a company that we are currently boycotting right now, y'all, but listen, I still have these products, so I'm gonna use them until I can't anymore. When you boycott, you do not purchase any new products from a company. But if you paid money for the product, child, you better use it. Okay, we're gonna let that get a little tacky. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull down this lace. It's already nice and secure without any spray. So once you spray it down, it's just gonna stick right to it, y'all. And I'm gonna take my comb and just press it into the spray. So I'm not gonna be doing any baby hairs on this wig. It does not need it at all, but I am gonna go over top it with that same spray and make sure that all the edges are stuck down to my forehead. Then I'm gonna take my comb once again, make sure that that lace is pressed in right on the edges. So next I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair and pull it up, and I'm going to clip it in place. Then I'm gonna take my WavyMy hair elastic band and we're going to tie down that lace, y'all, okay? Tie it as tight as you can possibly bear because it's gonna get this so nice and melted, y'all. So I'm gonna keep this on for 10 minutes and then I'll be back. So let's go ahead and remove this elastic band, y'all, and see if our lace, oh child, okay? Look at that lace, okay? That lace was already melted before, but oh my gosh, it looks so good now. So let's go ahead and take that clip out. And when they say this hairline is pre-plucked, it looks really nice, y'all. Like it's not too much and it's not too little. It's like the perfect amount. So I'm gonna take this wax stick on the top all the way around. Then I'm going to take this spritz spray. Next, I'm gonna take my Infinity Pro hot comb and just get this nice and flat, y'all. Like I know my wig is coming together once I do this step. You know what's crazy? I used to be a side part girly, but lately I've been loving a middle part. A middle part literally just eats. You can't tell me it does not. Especially with silky straight hair, girl. Bust down middle part me, please and thank you. So this hair is already silky straight, as you can see, but I'm just gonna run through it with a flat iron really quick. This is just the Chi original flat iron. This is old and faithful right here. It never lets me down. I know there's so many new brands and stuff, but Chi will always be that girl for me. I've had more expensive flat irons literally just stop working. And I'm like, what's going on? So we've got that side done. Let's go ahead and get this side done as well. So I normally do concealer on the parting. It doesn't need it, like, look at that. So this last step is definitely optional, but I feel like it's really going to set the whole vibe for this. Living in Atlanta, y'all. Ambulances all the time. So the last and final step, this is definitely optional, y'all, but I'm gonna take a little bit of my spritz hairspray and I'm going to just tap it on the edge of that lace. This literally will melt that lace so good into your skin. Like, don't get me wrong, it's already melted, but this is just like that extra And I'm gonna tie my hair down one more time and I'll be back. So if you're interested in checking out this wig from WavyMy hair, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide your girl with. And if you haven't watched my spring favorites video, go ahead and make your way to that video right now and keep the party going.